Hey guys, today me try understand capitalism, and me already feel brain melt. Me stand in shiny hut called Mall of America. Light so bright, me think thunder god live here. Me see glowing rock on table, tiny, smooth, full of colors like fireflies in bottle. Me want it. It say iPhone. Tribe elders say $9.99 or $41.62 month with eligible trade-in and 24-month contract. Caveman no understand. Me give him 5 fish. He say, "Sir, we don't accept fish. Do you have credit?" Me say, "Yes. Me have big credit with sun, wind, and tree god." He call security. Then small paper appear with tax, service fee, activation fee, protection plan, restocking fee, and early termination fee. Me almost cry. Cavemen scream, "Just give me magic rock." They no give. Me leave with plastic bag of sadness and receipt that say no refund. If you no learn this, you end up cold, broke, and alone in mud pit. Or worse, you pay monthly for a thing you already gave your soul for. Before you sit comfy on Mammoth skin, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick, but only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell Caveman in comments, where your cave, what moon time. Now grab your stone seat, hold on to your beard, and let's walk into the firelight of today's hunt. Okay, so after Caveman cry in parking lot and return to cave with no glowing rock, me ask big question. What in Mammoth dung is capitalism? Smart elders say, capitalism is system where people trade goods and services in free market, set prices based on supply and demand, and private owners control production. Me nod head like me understand. Me not understand, so me try to break down. In caveman days we share. You hunt buffalo, I pick berries, we make stew, tribe eat, life good. Now everything have price tag. You want water? Pay. Fire? Pay. Sit on big rock with cushion? Pay. You want air? Ha! Soon probably pay. Capitalism means trading not just for need, but for endless wants. One time me try trade basket of fish for free Wi-Fi. Man say no thanks, try a data plan. Me say me have unlimited fish plan. He slammed door on me. Cavemen start to see capitalism no just about trade, it about invisible game where everything become product. Your time, your thoughts, even your sleep. You no rest, you monetize nap. And in capitalism game, not all tribes start equal. Some born with 10 mammoths, others with a squirrel. Squirrel is sick. Caveman try to play but lacks resources. Caveman set up a small table with sign, fresh cave air, 1 whiff equals 1 coin. Nobody buy. Then one man sue me, saying me selling unregulated particles. So what is capitalism? It market where everything can be bought and sold, even dignity, even your last mango. In this system, basic human values are commodified, leaving people feeling empty and trading their most cherished possessions for profit. After brain stopped smoking from trying to understand capitalism, me noticed strange thing. People no just use capitalism, they worship it. Like fire god, like big sky being who give hot dog stands and discount TVs. Everywhere cavemen go, people chant strange mantras. Grind harder, secure the bag, hustle 24/7, no days off, rise and grind, bro. At first, cavemen think grind mean crush bones for stew. Turns out it mean work until eyeballs fall out and you sleep inside laptop. Caveman walk into place called free market. Me think it free. Big mistake. Cavemen grab mango. Lady scream. Security come. Me shout, "You say free market." They say that just mean open competition, not free fruit, dumb caveman. Oh, so capitalism give illusion of freedom. Anyone can succeed. But also reality check. Some start race with horse, others with sprained ankle and broken sandal. But still, tribe love it. Why? Because in capitalism, if you win big. You no just get hut, you get mansion. You no just eat. You get sushi, gold ice cream, and water from melted glacier monk tears. People believe if they work hard enough, they too can climb mountain of money and pee off the top. Also, capitalism fun. New things every day, new apps, new gadgets, new shoes made from recycled moon dust. Cavemen realize capitalism no just system. It dream machine, sell hope, package future, swipe now, and if you lucky rich. If not, well maybe next life. Cavemen decide, if tribe love capitalism, me join. me become entrepreneur. So me start business, real cave air fresh from my lungs to your jar. Me wear leaf tie, me shout limited supply, breathe like caveman, live like legend. At first, two hipsters buy, say it authentic, me happy, me take profits, buy big rock with wheels, use Prius, me feel powerful, me capitalist now. But then one smooth-talking rival from neighboring tribe, call himself venture capitalist, say, Caveman, your idea, pure gold. We scale, we monetize, we go global. Me say, you smart, me trust, he give me shiny coins, me give him half of my cave air empire. Then he say, we need branding, packaging, PR, legal, compliance, and office in San Francisco. Caveman say, what is PR? He say, expensive. Next moon, debt mountain rise like angry volcano. Me owe money to 12 groups, bank, legal guy who sharpens scissors. Instagram ad people, all say you behind, pay now. Caveman panic, me sell more air jars, but tribes say air now smell like betrayal. Then worst thing, wife leave. She say you no build fire for family, you chase invisible coin wind. She move in with man who own 27 vending machines and 1 jet ski. Caveman cry, caveman broke, caveman sleeping inside, returned Prius. This capitalism hunt, not easy, Mammoth. If you chase gold too hard, it chase you back with fangs. After caveman lose air jar, empire, wife, and Prius, me sit by river and watch other tribe members. Me see man named Jeff. He wear same shirt every day, eat lunch from bag, talk fast, and own building full of people who click things on screen all day. Caveman ask Jeff, why you so rich? He say, I don't work hard, I make others work hard for me. Caveman's eyebrow twitch. Me say, but me strong, me smash rock every day, me sweat like Mammoth in sauna, me still broke. He laugh and pat Caveman head. That's cute, he say, but in capitalism, hard work no equal big reward, ownership does. Then he draw picture. 2 men smash rock. 1 man own the rock mine. He sit under palm tree, drink fruit juice with straw. Other man sweat until bone ache. Guess who get more gold? Caveman confused. But me thought working hard is key. Jeff say that's what school tell you, but real game is about systems. If you don't own the system, you just fuel it. Boom, caveman brain explode again. So cavemen try new strategy. Me open worm farm, me hire smaller cavemen to dig and feed worms. But government say you need license. Cavemen say license to dig dirt? They say yes, also pay tax. Cavemen realize even if you own, rules still favor big chief with scrolls, permits, and cousin in city council. Still, lesson clear, capitalism reward ownership. You break back, get banana. You own banana stand, get jungle. Caveman still broke, worm farm crushed by city inspector. But me not give up. Me hear of new trick from young tribe members with glowing rocks. They say you no need product, you need followers. Cavemen squint. Like group of warriors? They say no, like subscribers. Caveman meet girl named Luna. She dance on magic scroll all day. TikTok, they call it. She makes silly face, point to floating words, and say things like, 5 signs he's a red flag. Next thing cavemen know, she have free clothes, free teeth bleach, and gold coins in bank. Caveman jaw drop. He ask, you know hunt? You know work field? She say I build brand. So caveman try me make video me point to fire. Caption say fire is hot, views 2 1 comment. This dumb. Next try, caveman do dance, fall in mud, break toe, views 40, likes from mom. Then caveman shout at camera, the system is rigged. Video go viral, cavemen think me made it, but still no gold. Because attention, money, unless you know how to monetize. Luna tell caveman, you need brand deal, sell product, grow audience, do collab with goat influencer. Me exhausted. In capitalism, attention is new currency, but it unstable, like trying to trap lightning in leaf pouch. People sell image, not skill. Loud get paid, quiet get ignored, and truth optional. Cavemen learn, if you chase attention, be ready to dance, and sometimes lie. After attention fame crash like clumsy mammoth into wall, caveman try get back on feet. Tribe elders say you need credit. That how modern tribe fake wealth before making it real. Caveman excited. Bank give caveman magic plastic stick. They say, buy now, pay later. But me ask later when, they smile. Forever. So caveman buy new boots, fire pit, even big screen for cave. Me feel powerful, like king of Amazonian jungle. But then letters come. Minimum payment due. Late fee applied. Your soul is now property of Bancus Maximus. Cavemen go back to bank. Me say, but me have no gold. They say, no problem, we give you more credit. You spiral in comfort. Cavemen realize debt is invisible trap. Not like spear in chest, more like slow vine around throat. It's soft until it tight. Then cousin Greg fall into deeper pit. He borrow to buy shiny carriage, lose job, still owe, carriage repoed. He now walk with shame and coupon. Debt tribe smart. They wrap you in smile, offer luxury, make you feel rich while stealing tomorrow. Caveman try escape, sell things, cut costs, eat only moss. Me learn painful truth. In capitalism, debt no just tool, it lifestyle. You not poor, you just financing future. But sometimes future say sorry, not approved. Cavemen vow, me no borrow unless me ready to suffer. Because every coin you owe come with chain, and chain come with friendly reminder. And if you miss reminder, they take your cave. After caveman survive viral fame failure, jar air empire collapse, and nearly get eaten by debt, me wander forest. Sit alone, no wife, no mammoth, no money, just mosquito and rock, caveman think deep. What me really want, not fake success, not glow rock, not gold coin mountain, maybe just peace, warm stew. Tribe around fire, one mammoth, not fleet. Cavemen realize secret, capitalism not evil, but it feed on hunger, not belly hunger, soul hunger. Systems say you need more, you not enough, buy this, be this, show this. Caveman meet old hunter. He rich, not in gold but in wisdom. He say, most people chase bigger cave, faster horse, shinier spear, but true power, knowing when to stop running. That hit like rock to chest. So caveman try new thing. Me say no to new loan. Me eat stew with friends. Me trade with fair hand. Me fix old sandals. Me no chase banana that float above cliff. Capitalism can be wild beast, but not all beasts must be slain. Some just need leash. Caveman no become millionaire. But me sleep well, me laugh more, me remember who me was before the scrolls, the fees, the get rich in 3 steps, man. That, my tribe, is mammoth of enough. You know ride it, you recognize it, and when it sit beside you by fire, you smile. Because you no longer starving, you full of enough. Cavemen sit by river, wind soft, water speak quiet, after all me lose, me still here. Capitalism, it like fire, fire warm you, cook stew, keep night beasts away. But if you no careful, it burn down cave, melt sandals, and leave you naked in ash pile. Cavemen see now, system not friend, not enemy, it tool. You can build with it, or it can build over you. Me think of old days, when tribes sit, share meat, laugh at sky. No one try sell stew for 5 rocks and 1 NFT. But also, back then, no glowstone, no medicine hut, no long-distance mammoth cart. So cavemen say this, use capitalism, but don't become its snack. Don't measure worth by gold, don't trade soul for scroll likes, don't think more always mean better. Build fire, tend it, share it, but don't worship it, because the moment you bow to it like fire god, it own you. It brand your spirit with sail. Now caveman go, me build small hut, grow tomatoes, maybe write scroll called Minimalism for Cavemen. Maybe not bestseller, but bestseller no feed heart. Only tribe, truth, and quiet stew can do that. So now, wise tribe, cavemen ask, do you worship golden squirrel, or do you just want warm stew and quiet night? Cavemen hold up empty jar labeled Authentic Capitalism, now with 30% more illusion. Me say, you want it? Only $99.99, comes with bonus existential dread. But seriously, if this firelight tale make you laugh, grunt, or think big thoughts in tiny loincloth brain, smash magic scribe stick, they call it subscribe, thump the fire rock, they call it like, and howl in comments, What part of capitalism confuse or crush you most? Tell Caveman, are you building fire or chasing glowing debt squirrel? Every moon, me share more stories about life, love, money, fame, failure, and how Caveman once tried cryptocurrency and accidentally sell soul to Wi-Fi. So join tribe, stay near fire, bring stew, bring jokes, bring self. Ooga booga.